The climbing perch, known scientifically as Anabas testudineus, is a fascinating freshwater fish native to Southeast Asia that has garnered attention for its remarkable abilities and unique characteristics. Here are the most intriguing things about the climbing perch. Number 1. Breathing air. One of the most extraordinary features of the climbing perch is its ability to breathe air. Unlike most fish that rely on gills to extract oxygen from water, the climbing perch has a special organ called the labyrinth organ, which allows it to absorb oxygen from the air. This adaptation enables it to survive in low oxygen environments, such as stagnant water or even on land, for extended periods. Number 2. Walking on land. The climbing perch is famous for its ability to walk on land. While it doesn't actually walk like a land animal, it uses its gill covers and pectoral fins to drag itself over dry land. This behavior is especially useful when it needs to move between bodies of water or when its habitat dries up. Its movement resembles a sort of wriggling crawl, allowing it to travel significant distances on land. Number 3. Climbing trees. Despite its name, the climbing perch is not known to climb trees, but it does possess the strength to climb out of the water and move across land. There are tales in local folklore that suggest this fish can climb trees, but this is an exaggeration of its actual abilities. The climbing perch can survive out of water for several days, as long as its skin remains moist. This adaptation helps the fish in extreme conditions where water sources are scarce or temporary. It can burrow into mud and enter a state of hibernation until the rainy season replenishes its habitat. The climbing perch is highly aggressive and has been known to invade new ecosystems. In recent years, the fish has become an invasive species in certain regions, where it poses a threat to native fish populations. Its ability to survive on land and in a variety of environments makes it a formidable competitor for resources. Interestingly, the climbing perch can be dangerous to predators. Its sharp, spiny gill covers can lodge in the throats of animals that attempt to swallow it, potentially suffocating the predator. This defense mechanism makes it less attractive to some potential threats. This fish is incredibly tough and can withstand extreme conditions that would kill many other species. It thrives in environments with poor water quality, low oxygen, and high temperatures, making it one of the hardiest freshwater fish. The climbing perch has been labeled a potential ecological disaster for Australia, where authorities fear it could invade the country's northern waterways. Its capacity to outcompete native species and its adaptability to diverse environments has led to serious concerns about its potential impact. The climbing perch is not only a marvel of nature, due to its ability to breathe air, move on land, and survive harsh conditions, but it also raises important questions about the impact of invasive species on delicate ecosystems. From its folklore to its real-world capabilities, the climbing perch remains one of the most intriguing fish species known today. This creature's adaptability is truly a testament to the wonders of evolution.